everyone, your friends here at the Dashcam Store with another unboxing video. Today's camera, the Thinkware F100. Thinkware's newest mid-range system at a terrific price point. Available in both 1 and 2 channel options with a nice variety of secondary camera options. The F100 is a sleek and dependable dashcam setup that is suitable for both regular drivers and commercial fleets as well. This is your record light that will shine red when recording, and also a button with several features. A short press starts manual recording. Press and hold for 3 seconds turns on or off the audio recording. Press and hold for 5 seconds to format your memory card. Here's your DC power in, and you slide the mount on here. The optional GPS antenna will plug in here on the top, and your optional secondary camera port is on the bottom. You also have a status LED on the bottom which indicates the operating status of the camera, and your memory card slot along with the microphone and speakers, which also reside on the bottom of the unit. The F100 records in full HD 1080p and has a very sleek, modern, and refined design. The 1-channel package comes with your forward-facing camera and a standard set of accessories, including a 12-volt power cable, a mount with 3M tape, 3 adhesive cable holders, an extra mount adhesive, a micro SD card and SD card adapter. You have a choice of 16, 32, or 64 gig memory cards from Thinkware with your F100. And don't forget about your trusty quick start guide / user manual. The front camera features a viewing angle of 135 degrees and supports full HD video recording at 30 frames per second, while the rear, interior, or waterproof external rear cameras record in HD 720p. The F100 boasts numerous perks, such as high-definition video, format-free technology, 3 autonomous recording modes, high-temperature protection, comprehensive driving information, and fail-safe recording. The intuitive and simple-to-use interface of Thinkware Dashcam allows you to easily and conveniently view your recorded videos. Through the free PC or Mac viewer, you can play back and download those videos. You can also change the dashcam settings, format the memory card, or install updates with just a few clicks. With the optional GPS antenna, the Thinkware F100 can record the vehicle's driving speed and position so that you can see its precise location, velocity, and routes on a map when playing back the footage from the memory card. This is ideal for business owners, fleet managers, parents, or those who would simply like to have a record of their exact whereabouts, and perhaps more importantly, their speed when driving. And this is the rear-facing camera. For extra coverage of the back of the vehicle, take note of the extra long cable they offer you here to connect the front camera with the rear camera. You just plug it in right here, and it is good to go. And this is your interior facing camera. This is also known as an infrared camera. They only offer you a short amount of cable since the front camera connects right in here with the infrared camera. This is great for rideshare, taxis, or fleet vehicles. Just plug it in here like this, and you are good to go. And this is your externally mounted waterproof cam with 15-meter cable or optional 20-meter cable. This is for trucks or heavy-duty vehicles where the rear-facing cam must be mounted outside in the elements. They provide you with 3 screws for mounting, 3 adhesive cable holders. This little plastic tube protects the connection of the cables, like so. The F100 can be hardwired to enable parking mode or just to eliminate that cigarette lighter power plug for a cleaner installed look. Just plug it in like so, have a professional drag this through the headliner, connect this to your fuse box, and you're good to go. Also available is the tamper-proof case, perfect for business owners and parents to know the dash cam will remain on as intended and the footage on the memory card will not be altered or destroyed. All you need to do is take the tool provided by Thinkware, unlock the case, put in your F100, lock it back up, and you can rest assured your F100 is protected. If you're looking for a small, sleek, affordable, and reliable dash cam, look no further than Thinkware's F100. This 1 or 2 channel camera system is ideal for everyday drivers, businesses, fleets, and rideshare drivers due to its numerous secondary camera configurations.
Now recording.